I'd say I was, I'd say I was more desperate than anything else. I was led to believe the diabetes was getting progressively worse.
Yeah.
With the suggestion of more medication.
Yeah.
I didn't want to go down that line. Didn't want to go that way.
Yeah.
And so I thought, right, okay. A friend of mine said to me that he knew someone.
Yeah.
And I said, I'll put it on to you. I was desperate. There you go.
Yeah.
That's the best way I could put it. Actually, I was desperate.
Yeah.
I found one of the hardest things to do around nutrition is that I think I was thinking of the wrong foods and nutrition. I was thinking that if I didn't eat certain things, then it would improve it.
Mm.
And maybe I just purely linked weight loss and fat loss with diabetes.
Yeah.
Singularly, not the ultra processed foods.
Yeah.
Not more specifically that diet.
Yeah. Yeah. Which ended up not being the case. The weight loss didn't necessarily just mean reversal.
No. Right.
Yeah.
So I am, stick thin now, or I'd lost over. Well, I was 88 kilos at my heaviest.
Yeah.
Probably a bit heavier than I should have been, but we were looking at 70 kilos. So
Yeah.
Not necessarily in the most healthy way, but
Yeah.
Or that said, it hadn't put my blood sugars down. It put my blood sugar up.
Yeah. I know. So which is the crazy thing about it. For me as well, it's that to meet you is a bit like, is this the right person? I'm trying to build. So yeah, it's a learning curve for me as well. Dealing with most diabetics, it's the opposite way. It's not, it's obviously both ends of extreme.
Yeah.
Too much weight, too little weight, it still affects the disease in that regard.
Biggest concern, that my health will progressively decline. Not that I've been in any pain, which I haven't. This is not a thing. But tell me your liver's going to suffer, your kidneys are going to suffer, and I won't be around that long. That's the biggest fear, that I'm going to die young and not see my grandkids. Yeah, I was brutally honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel better. I feel better, as in energy.
Yeah.
Energy, brighter in the morning, more energy, alert, a little bit more alert.
Mm-hmm.
Mentally.
Yep.
I think fairly excited I could see a way forward.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. That's really good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely. I think there's it's been positive. It's physically changed me, so it's mentally challenging me. I do think that, as I said before, there's a way forward. I know this is not the end of the road. I've still got some work to do, and I'm optimistic.
Yeah, great.
Optimistic that we might crack this.
Yeah.
That's maybe the best way. But I'm a bit more optimistic about it.
Yeah.
Yes. Overloaded to start with.
Yep.
But I suppose that's to be expected, because you're someone who's was quite ignorant about nutrition, even though I shouldn't have been.
Yeah.
So I always thought I was quite a fit person, but nutrition-wise was poor. So that's been enlightening in that respect.
Yeah.
I think working with you's been easy, reasonably easy.
Yeah.
Sometimes, sometimes I feel maybe I'm extracting. I have to ask the right questions.
Yeah.
Extracting might be because you're thinking as we talk as well.
Yeah.
And sometimes I find it, and then I struggle to. What am I meant to be asking? Because I feel like, I'm at a loss really. I'm ignorant.
Yeah.
But I have found that you've been engaging. So I'm pleased I've done this 10 weeks.
Yeah.